Hey everyone, how are you doing? So, yeah, just wanted to record this message for exchanging the progress of the project with you guys. So, honestly telling, the last 3-4 months had been kind of, very panicky and a bit aggressive on from our side as well, wherein we had been working on revisioning and restructuring the team and restructuring and giving some new directions to the project. So just if I share a bit about the project progress, we are we have worked on revision of the direction of the project and re-envisioning the project. So when we started off with this bridge, which was the Metaverse Interoperability Bridge. And just giving you a bit insights on that, we already have completed the development of the bridge. But essentially, this bridge is a set of APIs and contracts which needs to be integrated with these metaverses. And that's what we are currently on to. However, as we are moving forward, we realized that there are challenges and there are, I mean, the technical challenges. But I would say more than technical challenges, there are there is like a considerable time going on with the integration with these partners. So our idea is basically to open the B2B phase for the bridge, wherein we now have started, uh, you know, basically partnering up or getting onto the tech calls with these partners, understanding what their metaverse holds, understanding the entire structure, and then fitting in or integrating our APIs into their metaverse. However, as we move forward, this process is kind of time taking. It requires some time. I would say a big and a considerable time. And we get onto calls. In understanding calls, we try to understand what this metaverse is doing, and then we understand the technical structure of that metaverse. And then we offer the developers go on to calls, and they try to fit in, integrate the APIs, but that's not where the thing stops. So essentially, to test it out and to check, to see, if that kind of is bringing utility to the metaverse, and if that integration is actually valuable for that metaverse, is something that we are also working on. So essentially, there are already, I would say, 5 partners which we have started the integration with. But honestly telling you, this integration was kind of started, couple of months back, but we still haven't closed with any. I, I mean, I personally never expected this would take this much time, but yes, this is taking time, and I think it would take some time before we actually can get on to this user perspective of the bridge, wherein these metaverses are closed and integrated with our bridge, and the users actually can see the movement of assets in these metaverses. However, having said that, in order to ensure that the project progress keeps going on, the other modules of the product, wherein the marketplace, which we envisioned as the exchange station to give liquidity to the NFTs, wherein it's like simply an NFT marketplace, but then in order to give liquidity to the NFTs in the market, these NFTs can be exchanged for NFTs. So that the exchange station is something that we want to launch out first, so as we we get the user traffic coming in to the platform. And we think this strategically would be a better move or a better decision for the project, keeping the integration part going on parallelly. And in terms of the team structure, we already have scaled the team. We have taken in, other than the external agencies that we are using for development and marketing, we already have got core team members who have joined the team already, not only in the marketing side but in the tech side as well. And I understand that the token value had not been very favorable to us, and the curve had been kind of panic creating, and had been not performing as we expected. But essentially, we are trying our best to put in every utility to the token, and it's like we have kind of plans of resurrecting the entire project again. And trust me, we are working hard on this one, and we already have implemented various things. If we talk about development, things are pretty smooth and pretty going well over there. The only challenges or the only things that we are facing is, since the project is more of an ecosystem, we need support from the metaverses as well. And that's where and we are getting that support as well. It's not that we are not getting that, but the dependency or the interdependency is something that exists here. So in order to make sure that we do not end up losing our track and losing our time in these exchange of information, or we just do not lose our track and our time being stuck in the metaverse interdependency, we have already given a new direction to the project, wherein we have the ownership, and things would be in our control, and we can pretty much work on the user traffic and even get the project into revenue making or transaction making phase as soon as possible. And yeah, I mean, pretty much this is what I just wanted to give a message about. And other than this, there are some I understand about the exchange listing problem that has come up, but eventually this actually opened up many opportunities for us, and we anyways are in talks with other exchanges. And I don't think I mean, we are confirmed, and we are I would say we are determined on getting the token listed on other exchanges as well. And we are working hard on just holding on to to the token. And I don't think, I mean, we would let any panic situation be striking the project. So essentially it's just temporary, and we are dealing with it, and we have got it. So just want to pass this message on to you guys, to not to worry and not to go into panic mode, because there is a team working really strategically this time, and I think more passionately now. And I do not want to commit anything, but I guess soon you shall be seeing the changes, and you shall be observing the progress.